Good evening, class. Charantej, Gugana, Priyamvada, Sariti, and Rudra. Good evening, everyone. Everyone, please turn on camera. Turn on camera, everyone. Okay, we are having Charantej, rest all of you. Priyamvada, Gagana, Rudra. Rudra, you are outside. Okay. No issue. Okay, so we are having Priyamvada today after a long gap. Where were you, Priyamvada?
I wasn't there on Saturday, ma'am, because we went outside.
Okay. Before that also, na, you were not joining classes.
In the middle I had IMO and NSO last week, so I had to
Okay.
prepare for that. So I wasn't
Oh,
joining.
okay. How was I?
IMO went well. It went like not as good as I was expecting because like there's very less time. So I messed up some of the logical reasoning questions, but it went good.
Okay. And when you are having that result?
Result comes like 2 months, 2.5 months later.
Ma'am,
Maybe somewhere in December,
Oh.
January.
ma'am, all the schools like don't have the same paper.
Yes, Charantej?
For IMO and NSO, like, do all schools have same paper?
No, all schools don't have the same paper. It depends on which date your school is chosen. So there are 3 dates: 12th November, 28th November, 12th December. So now, if they give the same paper, then the paper will get leaked. So there are like 3 sets: set A, set B, set
Yeah.
C. I had
I
set A. But
I have on 12th December.
yeah, then you'll have set C.
So in that particular day, all the schools had same paper.
They give SOF to release 3 official dates. Your school can pick, and based on that, you will get the papers like different sets, or else you can like send it to your friends and they.
So Charantej, you also appeared the same?
Yes, ma'am, but my date is on December 12th, like the exam.
Acha. So December 12th.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you must have some other set.
Yeah, you'll have set C because it's the third date.
Okay, so then set C, yes.
Isn't NSO on December 12th?
What?
NSO is also on December 12th for me.
Ma'am, for me, IMO is
Acha, okay.
on 11th December and NSO is on 12th December.
Acha, you are having both IMO and
Yes, ma'am.
NSO.
Yeah, same. I
Yes, ma'am.
had
Good.
on 12th November and SO on 13th November. So I had to like as soon as I came back from.
Okay. Good. Very good. So all of you are having like one or the other. Sahithi, you are also having?
Yes, mom, even I had IMO on 12th of this month. It's already done. Yes, mom, same.
Okay, good. Okay, so as we discussed in last class, we are going to start chemistry chapter, the atom and molecules, and the things which we are already done. So apart from those things, we are going to start some new things like the
Mom, will you revise the lesson first and then
Ha
start
ha,
the
yes,
lesson?
yes. No, no, yes, yes. First, definitely we will revise the chapter first. And in revision also, we will take some related things. So definitely there will be revision first, okay?
And I have exams from December 1st to December 6th, and my first exams is science.
Science. Okay,
First
so
exam
these are
science.
your December exams. So these are your formative assessment, FA2,
Yes, ma'am, periodicals.
periodic or okay, okay. Huh.
Thank you
Same
for
with my
that.
first exam is science only.
Ma'am,
Okay.
mine already done.
Yes.
Ma'am, like already done.
Sorry, Chirantesh.
My exams are like already done.
Already done.
Yes, ma'am.
Which exam? Like the
Periodic
periodic 2,
3.
periodic
Yes,
3.
ma'am, periodic
Acha.
3.
Acha, हाँ, periodic 3. Yes, yes, yes.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
have atoms and molecules and work and energy.
Atom, molecules, and work energy. Okay.
I have everything from term 1.
Hmm.
Atoms and molecules is a third chapter in chemistry, and work and energy.
Ma'am, I got.
Otherwise, we have everything from term 1, gravitation and.
Ma'am, I got.
Then so you are having full syllabus, Priyambada?
Yeah, for finals, the whole book will come. I don't know what my school is on.
Ma'am, like,
Final में तो yes, always there will be full book. Yes. Yes, Chirantesh.
I got 12 in physics and 7 in bio.
12 in physics, 17 in bio.
7.
7 in bio out of
20.
9.
20.
Out of 20?
Yes, ma'am. Like
20 is of
physics.
science, na?
Yes, ma'am. Like the parts are divided. Physics is
हाँ
13, bio is 7.
हाँ वही तो I was surprised कि 7
your papers
out
are
of
less marks. My papers are 80 marks.
okay. So you got 7 means full marks in bio, and what about chemistry? 12 marks
Yes, ma'am.
out of 13. Yeah, out of 12.
Ma'am, that physics one, I wrote the correct answer and again cross and wrote the wrong answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, like the questions were little application based.
Hmm.
So yeah, I lost that.
Watch Papa later. We 10 o'clock find it, Papa. Okay, so let's start the chapter, atom and molecules. And before starting the chapter, first the basic thing about the chapter. So what is pure substance? First of all. Pure substance is the thing which is made up of molecule which is made up of same kind of atom. Okay. Pure substance, it is made up of
Same kind of molecule, right?
These are the molecule. Pure substance means what? It is made up of molecule which is having same kind of atoms. For example, we are having a CO2 is a pure substance. So all the molecules of it are made up of 2 oxygen and 1 carbon atom. Okay. Now what is atom? So atom is the smallest particle of any element. Atom is the smallest particle of an element. And what are element? How will you define element? Yes, anyone from the class? Gagana?
Ma'am, element is a substance which like cannot be divided.
Which we
Element
cannot.
is a substance made by only one type of atom.
One type
Yes,
of atoms,
yes.
and we cannot it cannot be decomposed into the simpler substance.
I mean
Okay.
ions, yeah, but ions are technically the same element.
Yes. So atom is the smallest particle of an element. Now atoms, suppose when different kind of set of atoms when combined together, so they form molecule of the element. So when two atoms or maybe three atoms they combine together, so they will form the molecule. Now the number of atom in any molecule of an element, it is called atomicity. So what is atomicity? Is the number of atom in molecule. So on the basis of atomicity, we are having different kind of molecule. Like we are having monoatomic molecule. We are having diatomic molecule. We are having triatomic molecule. Now what are monoatomic molecule? The molecules which are made up of one atom only. Say for example, helium. Say for example, could you tell me which symbol is this? AR represents
Argon.
what?
Sorry, not argon.
It's argon only. KR represent? What is KR?
Yeah.
Quickly, everyone.
Done.
Krypton, yes.
Krypton.
Yes, krypton. What is ZE?
Xenon.
Xenon. What is RA?
Radon.
Radon.
Radon. Okay, so all these elements are having one atom in the molecule. So they are monoatomic. And what is the other characteristic feature of all these, like helium,
Ma'am,
argon,
they're
krypton?
noble gases. They do not
They are
react
called
as their
noble
last orbits are
gases.
complete.
Yes. Prajna, why we are calling, what is the characteristic feature of noble gases? Which kind of elements we call noble gases, like Prajna? Prajna, are you there? Sahiti?
Yes, ma'am.
What are noble gases?
Ma'am, they don't react with anything else. And they
Why
stay
they
stable.
everyone turn on camera. Sahiti, Gagana, Prajna, Priyamvada, Rudra, everyone. Why noble gases are not reacting with anything?
Because they're stable.
Why they are stable? What is the connection between stability and the reactivity?
Inertia.
Just wait. Gagana, Prajna, Sahiti, turn on camera first. What is the connection between reactivity and the stability?
Ma'am, if an atom cannot lose any more electrons, then it's stable, so it cannot react with anything.
Okay, so why these noble gases are not losing their electrons? What is the name the factor which is stopping them to do so? Why they are not losing their electrons? Are they having electrons, noble gases?
Yes, ma'am, definitely.
Okay, they are having electrons. So,
And they have electrons except helium. All of them have fulfilled octet in their last shell. Basically, all of them have 8 electrons in their last cell, and it's not possible to get more or less than that. Basically,
yes.
they fulfilled it, so they don't
Yes,
react anymore.
because see why any element is taking part in the reaction, because every element
Because of its
want to
valence either.
yes, every element want to fulfill its electron, fulfill its electronic shells. Okay, so suppose any electron is having one electron in the outermost shell. The tendency of the element is to have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So ideally, it should have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. When it is having 8 electrons, it means it is stable. So it will not take part in any kind of reaction. But if it is not having 8 electrons, maybe it is having 1 electron or 2 electron in the outermost shell. So what is the tendency? It always wants to complete the octet. Means it always want to have 8 electron in the outermost shell. Now the electron is having 1 electron in the outermost shell. Atom is having 1 electron in the outermost shell. So what are the two possibilities? Maybe it can get 7 electrons, so 7
can
plus
lose one.
1 become 8, or maybe it will lose this 1 extra electron. So it will have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay. Now, to get 7 electrons, it's difficult than losing 1 electron. So this will lose this 1 electron. So that's why it is to lose this 1 electron, it has to take part in some reaction. It has to combine with something. Okay. So if already the atom is having 8 electron in the outermost shell, so that atom will not take part in any reaction. So we are calling those kind of atom are stable ones, or the noble gases, because they are noble, they are stable, they are not taking part in any kind of reaction. Clear?
Ma'am, I have a small doubt.
Hmm.
And what are halogens?
Halogens are Cl, chlorine, fluorine, bromine. These are the halogens.
So what else
Halogens
there?
means the salt forming. So they are salt. They form salt. That's why we are calling them halogens.
Okay.
They are having 7 electrons in the outermost shell.
They form a group, I guess. I think it's group 1. I don't know.
Group 7.
Group 7.
Okay, so monoatomic 1, so these are the noble gases. These are all monoatomic. There is one more category, that is the metal elements. Now, what are these metal elements? Give me example of metal. We learn metal now.
Iron,
Iron, copper, aluminium. No, not copper, aluminium.
So we are having sodium, like we are having potassium, we are having magnesium, we are having copper. All these copper, yes. Cu is copper now. So all these, they are also having atomicity 1. Okay.
But
So
copper, I think it comes under metalloid, right?
copper?
Yes, no.
No, copper is a metal only.
Okay.
Okay. So atomicity 1 means the elements are monoatomic. So the noble gases are monoatomic. The metal elements are monoatomic. Clear? Now comes to diatomic. Diatomic means what? Diatomic means if your elements are having 2 atoms. Say for example, H2 or N2 or O2. Okay, so now the elements having 2 atoms in their molecule, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Then we are having triatomic. Triatomic means elements having 3 atoms in their molecule. Could you give me an example of triatomic?
ozone.
Ozone, yes, O3. Ozone.
Sulfur dioxide.
Sulfur is tetraatomic basically.
Okay.
Sulfur is tetraatomic. Sulfur to octatomic. Tetraatomic is phosphorus, P4. And sulfur is octatomic. Octa means
what is SO3?
SO3 is sulfur dioxide.
Okay. Does it come under like triatomic?
Molecules of compound, that is molecule of compound. Yes, I'm coming to that point only. Okay, so these are the example of atoms, that is the smallest particle of element. Now element is having how many atom? On that basis we are having these categories. If there is only 1 atom, then monoatomic element. If there are 2 atom, then diatomic element. If there are 3 atom, then triatomic element. If there are 4 and 8, then tetra or octatomic elements or molecules. Okay. Now, how will you define molecule? What is molecule? So molecule is it is the smallest particle that has ability to exist independently. Okay, so molecule of element exhibits all the properties of that element. And when atom or molecules of different elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio, Then they form compound. Say for example, name this compound. What is NH3? Yes, what is NH3 and NaCl?
NaCl is common
NaCl is
salt.
common salt. What is the chemical name of NaCl? What is the chemical name,
Sodium
Sahiti?
chloride.
Sodium chloride. Sahiti. Sahiti, are you there? This is sodium
Yes, ma'am.
chloride. Sahiti, name, what is NH3? Name this compound.
Ma'am,
This is ammonia.
yeah.
Ammonia. So water compound. Compound is when two or more elements are combined in a fixed proportion. So in ammonia, there is always one nitrogen, three hydrogen. In NaCl, always one atom sodium, one atom Cl. Okay, so these are elements, molecule, and compounds. Clear, everyone? Is
What's
this
the
clear?
difference between compound and molecule?
What?
What's the difference between compound and molecule?
See, compound and molecule. Compound, in which elements are chemically combined and there is a fixed proportion.
Okay.
Okay.
And molecule?
Molecule is the smallest particle which exists independently.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we are having so many elements. We are having a whole periodic table. We are having so many elements. Now, first of all, how can we write these elements? Because in chemistry, we need to write again and again oxygen, nitrogen, carbon, sulfur. So, there is a easy way. If we use symbol, so it will be easy to write. So, first of all, there was a scientist called Dalton's. Daltons used some kind of symbol to represent elements. Say, for example, for oxygen, he used a circle. Obviously, oxygen is also, O is also circle, but he used this symbol for oxygen. Say, for example, for hydrogen, he used circle and a dot inside the circle. For example, carbon, he used a dark circle. This is the symbol of carbon. Say for example, for sulfur, he used plus inside the circle. For example, like iron, he used I inside the circle or the straight standing line inside the circle. So he used different symbol for the element. But later on, we are having so many elements that it's become very difficult to like use a specific symbol for every element. Then there was Bergelius, who used the first letter for the representation of the element. Say, for example, if we are having hydrogen, so now the symbol of hydrogen is H. If we are having carbon, the symbol of carbon is C only. So, what is symbol? First of all, so symbol is the short form. Or we can say is the abbreviation used for the name of the element. For example, sulfur denoted by S. Could you tell me quickly, everyone? Fatafat. Symbol of magnesium is
Mg.
aluminium,
Al.
calcium,
Ca.
chromium,
Br.
chromium,
CR.
Cr, manganese,
Mn.
cobalt,
CO, I think.
CO.
Co, nickel,
N.
Ah,
Ni.
Ni. Very good. Zinc,
One
ZN.
ZN.
Silver,
AG.
AG.
barium,
BR. BA. BA. BR.
Br is bromine,
Oh,
barium is
okay.
Ba,
BA. Okay.
arsenic,
A.
AS.
As,
S.
yes, very good, As. Platinum,
And PL.
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 Pl,
Platinum is
no,
PL.
Pt,
PT. Okay.
Uranium,
UR.
U, only U,
U.
uranium is
Okay.
U. Lithium,
LI.
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 fluorine,
F.
FL.
F, only F. Chlorine,
CL.
CL.
bromine,
BR.
BR.
iodine,
I.
I.
carbon,
C.
sulfur,
SU.
sulfur is S, not
Okay.
SO. Phosphorus,
P.
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 boron,
O.
B.
B.
barium,
BA.
BA.
silicon,
SI.
SI.
helium,
HE.
neon,
NE.
argon,
AR.
gold. Argon is
AG. AG.
sorry.
AU.
Yeah.
AU, ma'am. AU. Sorry.
Gold is AU.
AU. Okay, so Abhi, the name we discussed, the symbol is the first letter of the English name. But now the name I'm going to say, the symbol we are taking from the Latin name. Okay, so gold is
Aurum.
Aurum. Yes, symbol is AU. Now symbol is not G or GO. What is the symbol? AU. That is taken from the Latin name. Latin name of gold is aurum. Okay. Similarly, we are having silver.
Argentum.
Symbol is AG. And the Latin name is argentum. For example, copper.
Sorry.
Copper.
Copper, cuprous. No, yeah, cuprous.
Cu. Now the symbol should be C, but C for carbon, CO, CO for cobalt. So we take the symbol from the no class today. Symbol, Latin name is cuprum. Okay, so if English name are already occupied, then we go for the Latin name of the element. Say for example,
Similarly, iron is ferrous. Ferric.
Iron. Symbol is not I because I already given to iodine.
Iodine.
Okay, so symbol is Fe. Fe is for ferrum.
Ma'am, what's the name for mercury?
Mercury is Hg.
No, but what's the name?
Mercury is hydrigyrum.
Hydra what?
Hydrigyrum.
Hydrigyrum.
This is Hg. This is for mercury. Okay. So if English name is already occupied, then the name is on the Latin name of the element. Okay. Any other example? Yes, sodium.
Natrium.
Natrium. Symbol is Na. So this is for natrium. Latin name is natrium. Okay, any other? Copper, silver, gold, iron, mercury, sodium, potassium. Symbol is K. Latin name is Callium. Callium. Okay. एक और tin का भी होता है. Tin is tin SN. SN. So this Latin name is
lead. Plumbus.
stannum. Lead also, yes, lead.
Plumbus.
PB.
Plumbum,
Latin name is plumbum. Yes, plumbum. Okay, so these are the simple. So symbol are very simple. These are the short form. Okay, for the atoms. Okay. Now, what is the significance of symbol? Why we are just keeping the short form of the element? So, this is the I mean, suppose. Yes. Now, what is the significance of these symbol? Suppose I am writing here, say for example, I am writing here N in chemistry. So N means
It
what?
gives a qualitative and quantitative meaning.
Yes. So if suppose somewhere it is written N, so N means what? It is not only the symbol of nitrogen. It is saying that there is one atom of nitrogen.
And it also gives us information such as mass number and atomic
Yes.
number.
And also it is saying that there is 14 gram of nitrogen. Means 14 gram what? This is the atomic weight of the nitrogen. Okay. So symbol, it is not only giving the idea which element it is, but it is giving how many atoms are there of that element, what is the mass of that element. So all these information a symbol is carrying with it. So these are the we can say significance of symbol also. So symbol is representing the name of the element, the number of atom in the element, and the mass of that element, which is like the atomic mass. Okay, clear everyone? So till now we discussed, first of all, what is atom, what is atomicity. Okay, atom, smallest particle, atomicity means the number of atom. If there is one atom, monoatomic, two atom, diatomic, three atom, triatomic, four atom, tetra, eight, octa. Okay, or we can put in the category of polyatomic also. 1, 2, 3, so we should know anyhow. But these two we can keep in the category of polyatomic also. Clear? Now, molecule. So, molecule is the smallest particle which can live independently. And finally, we are having compound. If these atoms combine in a fixed ratio, then we are calling it compounds. Then we are having symbols. So first, the Dalton gave some symbol, and these symbols are given by the Berzelius. So later, these first letter thing given by the Berzelius. Okay, so symbol, you already, most of the symbol already clear to you. Then we are moving to next thing, that is the valency. What is valency now?
Combining capacity of an element, also how many elements how many electrons it needs to complete the octet.
See, combining capacity to it's okay. It is combining capacity
Combining
of the
capacity
element.
is the old version. We don't
Old
use
version,
that
yes.
definition
Yes. For now, we are not using that version of that is valence is the combining capacity. So, what is the modern definition of valency? Modern definition saying number of electrons that an atom can lose or gain or share during a chemical reaction. So if an atom is gaining or sharing electron, then it is having one kind of bond. And if it is sharing the electrons, then it is having some other kind of bond. So kind of bond that we will discuss later in the chapter. For now, valency is the number of electrons that an atom can lose, share, or the gain during a chemical reaction. And the combining capacity of atom, it is valency also, but try to avoid that definition of valency. Now use this because this is the modern version of valency. Clear? Now, what apart from these electrons, what an atom is having? So basically, atom is having three things. Because in chapter we studied now modern concept who gave the first Dalton's theory. Dalton said atom is indivisible, but now do we know that atom is divisible into three things. So atom is having three things: proton, neutron, and electron. Which charge carried by proton? Which charge carried by proton? Positive charge. Neutron? Neutral. Electron is negative charge. Okay, so proton and neutron, they are present in the nucleus of the atom and electron in the outer shells. Clear? So valency is about the electron also, only. how many electrons this atom can lose or can get or can share. That is valency. Clear? Suppose we are having atom sodium and this atom is losing one electron. So after losing one electron, it will get, suppose what is the atomic number of sodium? 281. And after losing one electron, it becomes 2,8 only. This one electron it is losing. So it becomes 2,8. Now it is losing one electron. So now earlier it is having 281, that is 11 electron. Now after losing it is having only 10 electrons. So now one negativity less. So it will get one positive charge. Clear? So it becomes monovalent. What is the valency? 1. Okay. Suppose we are having magnesium. What is the atomic number of magnesium?
12.
12. So configuration 282. Clear? Suppose it is losing 2 electrons. So now it becomes, now it having 2 or 8 only, 2 electrons it losing. So it will get 2 positive charge. So it becomes divalent. So valency of magnesium would be 2. Valency of sodium would be 1. Suppose we are having aluminium. What is the atomic number of aluminium?
13.
13. So 2, 8, 3. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 3, 13. It is losing 3 electrons. So after losing 3 electrons, it becomes 2 and 8 only. So it is having 3 positive charge. So it becomes trivalent. So valency of aluminium would be 3. Okay. So everyone, whether it is sodium, magnesium and aluminium, all are gaining positive charge only. So the atom with charge, that kind of atoms are called ions. Now, if it is having positive charge, so we call it cation. And if it is having negative charge, then we call it anion. Clear? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, suppose we are having cations ke example we discussed. Suppose we are having chlorine. What is the atomic number of Cl? 17. 287.
17, sir.
Okay. Now it is having 7 electrons in the outermost shell. So it has to be 8 electrons. So it need to gain 1 electron. So it will take 1 electron. And after taking 1 electron, it becomes 2, 8 and 8. So it will get 1 negative charge. So it is having 1 negative charge. So it is having charge. So see, this Cl is atom and this Cl is ion. Which ion? Negative charge ion are called anion. How many negative? 1 negative. So it is monovalent. Could you give me example of divalent?
Oxygen.
Yes, very good. Oxygen is 2, 6. Now, outermost shell में 6 electrons. So, it need 2 more electrons to become 8 electrons. So, it will take 2 electrons. After taking 2 electrons, it becomes ion. Which ion? Negative, anion. How many negative? 2 negative. So, it's divalent. Example of trivalent is, say, nitrogen. Nitrogen is 2, 5. Outermost shell, 5 electron. How many electrons it need to complete octet? 3 electrons. So it will get 3 electron. Then it becomes 2, 8. After 3 electrons, this is atom, this is ion. Trivalent. Okay. So these are all anions. So these are all cations. These 3 are cations. And last three are anion. Clear, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Okay. So this is for today. In next class, we will continue this further.
Bye.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am.
Bye-bye.